it's something like this. Right, guys? Am I doing it right, or are you guys gonna teach me?
You have potential, but also the breakup song is like it's your expression, how you would want to express it. Yeah, you could do jungly dance. You can do what
What is a jungly dance?
Can you do an African dance like how a tribal? Yeah, correct. You can do that also. Now try and do this on the step. Do that.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, okay.
Go. Superb. Then you can do Bharatanatyam.
Oh, I'm only doing a thing. Interview किसका हो रहा है?
The step. 5.
ये कब से आता है स्टेप? Always doing it wrong. Okay, it's too late now. Couldn't releasing tomorrow.
बस हो गया. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I have learned the step.
Dancing with you.
बस.
अभी कोई गाना बज रहा है.
I'm giving you situations and you tell me if it's मुश्किल for you guys or it's आसान. Okay?
Are you going to throw me down?
No, I'm just hold on. I'm bracing you.
I don't trust.
Okay, let's start. Local train में travel करना. ए दिल है मुश्किल.
Mushkil.
मुश्किल.
You have to do this. ए दिल है
मुश्किल.
Okay. Friday matinee show देखना.
हैं?
खुद की फिल्म की.
हाँ, किसी की भी फिल्म.
मुश्किल. मुश्किल. टेंशन होती है ना?
Next. सड़क पे वड़ा पाव खाना.
Asan. Love it. Bhajia pav is one of my favorite street food dishes.
I don't really like vada pav. I like aloo tikki.
But how is it difficult? मुश्किल या आसान?
Asan.
Really?
Yeah.
You also?
Yeah.
खड़े होके रास्ते पे.
Yeah. And especially the one on Worli Seaface opposite that Mela restaurant. It's very good. I go there pretty often.
There you go. You know where to find Ranbir.
Please find me. I'm
To
looking.
find me, you have to go to Dehradun.
देहरादून में क्या है?
मार्केट में,
Oh.
घंटा घर में एक बहुत अच्छी जगह है. वहाँ पे अच्छा मिलता है.
तू खुद बेचती है ना वो?
नहीं.
वड़ा पाव.
बड़ा पाव की भेजूंगी मैं देहरादून में. वहाँ पे आलू टिक्की मिलती है, पापड़ी चाट मिलती है, दही बल्ले मिलते हैं.
Next. Taking your pet for a walk.
I take my pet for a walk.
I've never seen you. I stay right there.
So like how like you're always standing outside to wait for me
I
to
have
come out?
met dudes so many times. It's not funny.
Have you really met him?
Yeah.
Rakesh.
I swear.
Dude always comes and tells me if he meets anyone interesting.
So mean. So mean.
For me, it's very mushkil because my two boys are I have two
He has a garden and all.
called Lionel and Guido, but it's very mushkil because they're only 9 months and they're already so big and they have like immense power, and it's usually that they take you for a walk, and they both are going different directions.
Talking to strangers in a party.
Mushkil. मतलब very mushkil for me. Talking to people I know also is very mushkil in parties.
I mean, I'm not a people
Is this
person.
mushkil? Like, is this mushkil?
No, with him it's.
No, and also we're paid to do this interview.
Oh, where we got paid to do this?
I mean, it's part of a contract for promotions, right?
But
We're not-
technically we're not paid to do this.
And
Yeah, we
here, is it mushkil?
But you're different.
Yeah.
I'm different.
You
We
didn't
have to.
You did an
We
African
have to
dance.
talk
You
to
won
you.
a heart there.
I
And like,
Just do the
I'm
African
ready.
dance
Yeah, you
again.
did it quickly. Like you didn't even like.
What was that African dance? You went full, huh?
Yeah,
Nice.
cool. Okay, going to a public gym. Public gym मतलब public toilet नहीं, in a sense that.
It's very mushkil because A, I'm very conscious. A, I don't have a body. So.
Where do you go then?
I remember I go to a private gym, but when I used to go, I used to meet people like over, say, a period of 1 year. And over the period of 1 year, they used to see me in the gym after 1 year. Says, every time they meet me, they say, "Oh, you lost so much of weight," and always the intention was to really put on some muscle. So that used to get to me, like, shit. I'm going private.
So I used to go in the beginning, but
First time I saw Anushka was in the gym.
which is a private gym.
Oh.
Yeah, but now I go in my own building. There's a gym there, so I go there because also the time constraints and all.
Oh. There are a lot of people who tweeted some questions to you guys.
All right.
And they're fans' questions. Okay, to Anushka, have you ever felt like thappad maroing Ranbir in real life? It's
All
it's
the
from
time.
Ayan.
Ayan?
Yeah.
Ayan. I've always wanted to hit the screen, Ayan. On and off screen. Not on screen, but on screen I had to. I was forced to. But off screen, no one has to force me to hit him. But I don't hit him.
What
I
does
want
he do
to.
that you
but
want to hit him?
How irritating he is. Look at him. Annoying. He keeps troubling me. What? Oh.
Cutie pie.
See, this is the problem. This is the problem.
Problem.
He has wiped his hands on my clothes so many times. Okay,
you serious?
so many times.
After eating.
Okay, he sneezes on my hand. Like, he's just horrible.
Okay. Next, ask Ranbir to reveal a secret about Anushka and vice versa. This is from Munia.
Munia, secret about Anushka is that she's a little off her meter in life. There is a little bit of a medical condition that she has, which she's not discovered what it is, but there is a little bit of a offness to her. You know? Look at her.
आज तो थप्पड़ पड़ने वाली
She should
है।
be a science project.
थप्पड़ मतलब थप्पड़।
But I'm the solar system. I'm his universe. That's why.
Oh, a secret about him.
He digs his nose like the way he's digging
Yeah,
right now.
right.
He does it all the time. And
And then I wipe it. No, no.
can you stop it? These are bhare ke kapde. Not this. This is my own.
Doctor's coat. You can see it's a medical project going on. That's why she's a nurse look.
Only Ajay laughs at your joke. Ajay, just keep quiet. Okay, I'll come and punch you.
Okay, next. If you had to give a nickname to each other, what would that be? It's from Ash.
Chomu. I will call him Chomu.
Ash, you can just call us, yeah? Go through this. I would call her...
Chomu. I'll call him Chomu.
I'll call her Nushki.
Nushki?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, next. A co-star apart from each other you enjoy working with. This is from Maria, and by the way, she's from Pakistan. She loves you guys and she's very upset.
Maria, love to you.
I would like to say Shah Rukh Khan, other than Ranbir, if I had to take a name.
Konkana Sen. I really enjoyed working with her in Wake Up Sid.
The last question.
No, we're finishing it. We're enjoying this. She did African dance for her, yeah?
Yeah.
The least we could do.
Your personal breakup songs. अगर कोई breakup song होगा तो क्या होगा?
I think it's really cliche and all, but my personal breakup song has been My Heart Will Go On from Titanic. You know, दिल को छू जाता है यार वो गाना. You know, and the way Selena sung it.
I will survive. I'm get over you. Memory of your first one-sided love.
Madhuri Dixit.
Oh,
You
नहीं
can-
यार,
you can say
star
my-
नहीं.
You can say my name.
Fortunately, I've never been a part of that. One-sided love.
Are you
Just go and
serious?
stand in the corner quietly.
You've never.
Me.
Luckily, I've not been
She
because
was.
I'm sure.
Early years.
Yeah, when I was 3 and 4 years old, those 2 years were very traumatic.
Things about Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, her fans should know before watching the film.
She's even more beautiful in person.
And she's very kind.
I
Very
think you already
kind.
know that.
Yeah, we all know
Do you
that.
think they don't know she's more beautiful?
They must not have seen her in person, na?
Last. Okay, complete the sentence fast. You can't think now, okay?
I never think.
Yeah. Anushka ka
दिमाग ही नहीं दिया
thappad
है.
feels like.
Anushka ka?
Thappad.
Like,
Like
a
a
gift.
kiss.
Like a gift.
Like a kiss.
Like a gift. I'll give you then. Huh? I'll give you.
On camera.
Kiss नहीं करना अभी. I don't want to kiss you.
Ranbir ka gussa is.
That only.
And Gussa like goes up like that and comes down like that.
Karan Johar ka को रोना आता है जब.
उसके कपड़े इस्त्री नहीं होते.
Aishwarya is always.
Brilliant.
Stunning.
रणबीर का जब गाता है.
तो
Gussa भाग जाता है.
सबके hearts go on.
Horrible.